Hey you guys, and welcome to today's episode here on Hansen Classic Cars. Today is a quite special day because the old Opel is gonna be delivered today to the customer. So I am really excited and I'm so much looking forward to know that this beautiful old car is getting a new lovely home. It's gonna be amazing. But as always, if you like what I'm doing here on this channel, please go down this video and hit that subscribe button. That will mean the world. But enough of this, let's get cracking. Let me just start out by saying I want to do a recap over the things I have been doing with this vehicle. I have changed the brakes, I have changed the front bushing on this side. If you want to see that video, it's up there. I have given the car a respray all over with the factory correct paint. And I found that together with the customer, the horizontal blue. If you haven't seen that video, it's up there. Last but not least, I changed out the transmission fluid, took the car for a test drive, and if you haven't seen that video, it's up there. The last thing I have been doing to this vehicle is of course all a bit of the small detail stuff, and I have thrown on 4 brand new tires, and it's improved the ride tremendously. So it's so nice. It has been an amazing journey, and I just want to say to you all, thank you for watching. It means the world to me. And last but not least, I want to give you guys all some great news. I'm gonna do some more videos on my old Saab from 1960s. There's gonna be more videos on that as well. So that's gonna be so amazing. So you guys have a good one out there. Bye.